Hello, everyone. This is Team 5's presentation, um, also known as Fall Line. It is based on our fall detection system. Inspiration for this senior design project was uh, on health devices. Falls are the leading cause of injuries amongst elderly individuals and people with bodily motion challenges. Many times, families find a fallen relative after a considerable amount of time, which drew inspiration for us on creating a device that would help work in a similar function as Life Alert. Um, Due for testing purposes, we decided to implement two devices, our fall sensor V1 and our fall sensor V2. They both are assembled in similar manners. They work on the premises of a microcontroller using an IMU sensor and of course a battery adapter and communication with ELE. So the way we decided to go about creating our senior design project is on three separate platforms: the hardware, the mobile application, and the web application. The web application ended up tracking all of the information, such as caregivers, caretakers, and the people that would be wearing the device, as well as tracking all of their history of falls, which is the way we ended up setting. We set up integration from our device to the mobile applications, and from there, the mobile applications transmits information to the web services using AWS, of course. And this is an example of our web applications. The mobile application works like this: when it will track every individual's motions from steady movements such as walking, sitting, laying down, and bending over. The fall sensor, which is the image on the right, will end up transmitting information notifying not only the caretakers but the people wearing the device that a fall has been triggered, allowing them with an option to notify the web services that it was a false positive. Images are displayed on the screen with normal data being transmitted on the left and the fall being transmitted on the right.
All right, so here's our device. Here's the case. This will go attached to the user. If we look at the outside, we see one USB-C port. This is used for charging. If we open it up, you'll see three main components. Our first one being the battery. This powers the whole device. The battery is connected to our EMP32. This is the brains of the system and does all the calculations. It also has Bluetooth built in, so it communicates with our mobile Android device. Here is our IMU. This has an accelerometer and a gyroscope built in, so we can track the position and the orientation of our device, and we can use this to detect a fall. It sends the data to the EMP32, which then does some calculations and then sends it to the mobile device. If we detect a fall, which we will simulate right now, we will get a notification on our phone. So right now we're going to connect it. And as you can see, we can track the position and movement of our device if we move it. And we will try doing a simulated fall right now. And a fall has been detected. And then we can cancel the fall as well if we have a false positive.